Hey, it's Jennifer with ActivWall, and I'm here at our Martinsville, Virginia production facility to show you some really cool windows that we have here on the production floor. We mention on here often that we are capable of making custom color windows to fit your design aesthetic, and we have two here that I definitely want to share with you. For this first unit I'm showing you, it is powder coated in a spruce green. Now we have made green windows before, but never this particular shade. The customer chose to have powder coated handles on the exterior, but on the interior, brushed chrome hardware. And look how sharp this is. It's really nice design aesthetics. This is the spruce powder coat. This is going to look so sharp. Right next to it, we have a gas strut window in our traditional black powder coat, but on the inside, a little design feature. This is wood clad. Our wood clad offerings have unfinished pine that the customer can either paint or stain to the color of their choice. With our wood clad windows, you get the low maintenance of thermally broken aluminum on the outside with the warmth of natural wood on the inside. So it's a great design choice. We design custom windows for our customers every day and ship them nationwide. So whether you're wanting a unique color gas strut window, a wood clad model, or one of our other many products, including pivot doors, folding windows, or sliding stacking units, drop us a DM or contact us at activwall.com. We'd love to help you open up your space.